When you open Maya for the very first time, this is the interface you are going to get. Very simplified, very straightforward, and very clean. But sometimes you might get things like the get started screen showing you some things about Maya. You also get some options here, but most of the times it's either you get started from the recent screen or you get started from the getting started screen here. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that if you are installing Maya for the very first time, you are definitely going to start from the getting started screen. So that is just what you need to know about this interface. There is nothing much and there is nothing crowded about Maya, which you really need to understand for the very first time until we get into Maya. And if you don't want this home screen to show at startup, just uncheck this, and when you open Maya, it will just go directly into Maya. But I just like this because it helps me see my recent works and so on, and that is what you can get from here, the recent works, and you are going to get all the works you've done in Maya. When you look here, we have two rectangles. The first one it's new and the second one it's open. When you click on this one, it is going to create a new scene for you. And if you click on this one, it is going to open the scene you've worked on before, or it is going to open your Windows Explorer or your Finder for you to locate the previous scene you're working on before. And here where we have current project, we will get into that later. This is just how you can easily set folders in Maya. I have different folders here which I have set, and I am going to show you how to set that. Now for you to get into Maya screen or into the scene, or for you to create a new scene, you can just make use of this button here, new scene. Keep in mind this button is going to disappear the moment you start getting the history of the works you've done in Maya. So to go into Maya, you just want to hit on new or new scene. I'm going to make use of new, and I know it's going to prompt me to save. I already have a scene open in Maya before. That is why I'm getting this. I'm going to hit on done save. So this is how you can get into Maya. I know this is overwhelming, this is crazy, but don't worry, we'll get into this into the next lesson when I'm going to explain everything for you guys.